Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on a 2017 facelifted Audi A3 convertible, or a Cabriolet, and we fitted one of our German roof modules so that using the remote you can remotely open and close the roof without needing to be inside. So we've managed to find a gap in the weather because it is terribly windy, so apologies if the noise is a bit blowy, and hopefully we don't get rained on whilst we're doing this. So much like our other modules that we fit a lot for the Mercedes and for the BMW range, it works in a very similar way. So if we want to open the roof but with the windows closed, what we do is we take our remote and we do 1, 2, 3. Give it a couple of seconds to think about it, and then the windows will start going down, as you can see. Hopefully it's not too dark and you can see what is going on. It is like 10 o'clock at the moment. Because it's the newer A3, it's a very fluid motion, very quick. You're not hanging about for too long, so if you do get caught short or you do want to open it relatively quickly, you're not going to have to wait too much for it to do it. So there you go. That's the roof down but the windows left open. Now to close it is close, open, open. So we're going to do lock, open, open. So give it a couple of seconds to think about it. All the windows sort of half go down. Sorry again for it being a bit blowy. Roof mech comes out. I'm always very impressed by these roof mechs and how they work. They are very cool. Locks down into position, pulls itself down, and then the windows are up, and that's it. We're all done. Now if you want to do it so that the roof is open and also the windows are open, it's 4 clicks of the open. So we're going to do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So give it a couple of seconds. Hopefully it's picked up on the 4 instead of the 3. The windows disappear down. The roof mech starts to open itself up and starts its hideaway process. And there you go. Oh, that one I must have unpressed the buttons. I pressed the buttons too quickly. So you push it 4 times and the windows will go down. So apologies for that. I must have pressed it too quick. But you can imagine the windows being left down in the open position, which you may want, you may not. It's up to you. And then just to close it again is 1, 2, 3. Windows semi go down. I expect when I did it just now, the buttons were, button presses were too fast. So you need to give it a nice decent sort of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. So that just shows that even we can get it wrong sometimes. But also if you do it too quick, then of course you're not going to get the motion that you want. So then you lock it up and there you go, and all done. So this is the Audi A3 convertible roof module that we do. We can do this as a supply only option, or we can supply and fit it. Ideally we want it being done somewhere where it's undercover, so on summer days like this when it's pouring down, we've got the car all nice and dry. If you want to get in touch with us, it's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and thanks for watching.